Hello students. So today we are here with one more experiment in analog IC applications lab. So this is Astable multivibrator using 555 timer IC. So it's a very simple circuit. For this we need two resistors and two capacitors, 1 kilo ohms and 4.7 kilo ohms resistors and 0.1 and 0.01 microfarad capacitors. Let us see how to connect this. And as you know, Astable multivibrator is also called as a free running oscillator. Means so for this particular circuit we need not to apply any input signal. This itself generates an output signal as oscillator. So for this we require only CRO to observe the output, and let us see how these connections are given. As you see, I have taken a 555 timer IC which is of 8 pin IC, and as per the circuit diagram we are going to connect these pins and their connections. So we'll start with resistors in the circuit. So from pin 8 to pin 7 there is a resistor of 1 kilo ohm. So this is 1 kilo ohm resistor and it is to be connected between pins 7 and 8. So I am just connecting this at pin 8 and pin 7 like this. So it is connected at pin 8 and pin 7. And similarly we are having one more resistor which is 4.7 kilo ohms resistor between pin 7 and pin 6, and I am just connecting at pin 7 and pin 6. Now coming to other components, there are two capacitors. So there is a capacitor which is 0.1 microfarad to be connected at pin 2 to ground. So I am just connecting 0.1 microfarad from pin 2 to ground like this. And we are having one more capacitor between pin 5 and pin 1. So just from pin 5 to pin 1. So these are the components connected. So this 0.01 capacitor between pin 5 and pin 1, this is between pin 2 and ground. Two resistors, one between pin 8 and 7, other one is between pin 7 and 6. Now let's give other connections using connecting wires. Now so from this pin 1 is to be grounded, so I am just connecting pin 1 of IC 555 timer to ground, so as you see here. And another one we are having, see, so here pin 2 and pin 6 are shorted, so we need to provide a short connection between pin 2 and 6 using a connecting wire. So pin 6 and pin 2, so like this. Now so just observe the connecting wires and their connections here. So pin 1 is grounded, so as you see here, from pin 1 is grounded, and then pin 2 and 6 are shorted using a wire here, pin 2 and 6, and then so pins 8 and 4 are to be connected to VCC. I have taken a wire from pin 4 and connected it to VCC, and similarly from pin 8 to VCC. Here we are going to connect a VCC supply of 12 volts from the DC voltage source like this. So this completes the circuit connection, and let us verify so how this is working. And also the ground for supply is also given to ground here. Now to observe the output we require a CRO. So let us connect the CRO at pin 3 of op amp, and we can also observe the output across the capacitor which is at pin 2. Let's do the connections and check. Now I am connecting this channel 1 of CRO to observe the primary output at pin 3, and another channel, which is the second channel, I am going to connect at pin 2. And the CRO's ground pins are given to ground. Now, so let us observe, turn on the gate and observe the output waveforms. Now, so as you see, so I am just turning on the gate. You can see the outputs here. So channel 1 is connected to primary output at pin 3, and channel 2 is connected to the voltage across the capacitor, which gives us sawtooth waveform. So this is how this free running oscillator, which is Astable multivibrator, using 555 IC timer, is executed.